No, afterwards.
Okay. So she was not your friend that day she walked into the life of your son?
Don't ask me. Don't ask me.
Okay, I have also opened your account on Twitter, so you can follow everybody and everybody will follow you.
At this stage,
Yeah.
people are going to follow me and I will forget each other. Forget each other.
Okay,
Yeah.
now first send request to Ramnik Bhai, Rajan Bhai and all the kind of residents so you can chat with them.
Yeah, because you don't know they have time for me. This I like it.
Yeah.
I really like it.
Okay.
Hello.
Babuji!
Hello.
Babuji!
Hello.
Babuji! Babuji!
Hello.
Babuji! 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 Don't be पर बाबूजी टोपी ने लाकड़ी भूली क्या मैं टोपी लाकड़ी भूली गया हेलो बाबूजी નું નામ હતું પેટુભાઈ પેટુભાઈ મારું નામ છગનભાઈ તમારું નામ શું છે સંતોષભાઈ બાપુજી
Oh, Ankit Bhai. So you who are putting my day. Come.
What do you bring nowadays?
I'm here to try to know that Canada is going to start a detox center.
Detox program. We did that at the same.
Yeah, what is that? So the Canadian resident will not go to for health checkup.
I don't know that.
No, this is a digital detox center. You come to the center as a whole family, choose between the hourly, daily and weekly packages. What we will do is we will take away all your smart devices, your smartphones, tablets, laptops. There will also be no TV.
No. Don't see me. I will tell you. Everybody will agree with me. I like the true program. If you're serious, you have to like the vernacular. I like that movie. And also what is? Bahu, आप भी एक दिन सांस बनोगी.
No.
That is the truth.
No.
I got
I will please also say that times have changed and we now need to do digital fasting,
seeing the beach. Seeing the beach.
which means
I think it's a good idea.
we cannot touch and play with our phones during fasting or any digital devices. So at the detox center, you will only have your family to spend time with, which will help you to rediscover yourself and your family. And most importantly, you will get to see and spend time in our wonderful environment. It will be lovely.
That's an excellent idea, Professor. Ramnik Bhai, when are you starting registration? I'd like to sign up my family for digital detoxification. We all need it, especially my Sasuma.
Let me go and help Ramnik Bhai. I'm sure because everything is offered at the detox center, you will have big queues and food will be provided. Mahaprabhu Nijay.
Mahaprabhu.
Jai Shri.
What?
It's on WhatsApp. Then you're on Twitter
So excited.
and also on Facebook.
Yeah.
We at work in meetings, I keep getting messages from you.
Isn't that nice? Ah, I'm so excited. How do I know you're busy? I'm so excited. You know what? Look for me, Twitter is this. Now we are friends.
Yes? Papa, I'm in the house and you're sending me messages.
How you understand it? You don't talk to me, nobody talks to me this way. As I said, to me, friends. Yes? Yeah, okay. So thank you. Thank you very much.
But for such, you know it's positive for us. This old lady won't leave us alone now. And she wants to follow me on Twitter.
You know what this is? You always followed me everywhere. That's why you are where you are today. Don't ever forget that.
Where is Nikhil? He's not home yet. Ah. Nikhil, darling, Krishna, I'll help you. How was school, darling? Did you get the report?
Yes, Mommy. I came third in my class. I got 89%.
What? Not in your class? What's wrong with you? See, this is a problem. On Xbox, on Facebook, playing with Twitter, playing with all your devices and going with your friends to the movies and laser tag and all that. This holiday, no games. No video games, no watching the TV. This holiday you're going to sit with me. I don't want to listen to stories. This holiday you're going to sit and work. No games for you. Please sort him out.
Nikhil, last time you came out second in the grade. And this time third in the class. What's going on? Do I need to start studying for private tuition?
But Daddy, I did my best.
You know, you can come here. Don't worry. Between the two, I have 89%. You don't worry about that.
Come together.
हेलो जय श्री कृष्ण डायमंड जय श्री कृष्ण जय श्री कृष्ण You know what I brought for everybody today? What tell you money? गर्मा गर्म भजिया round round gold gold pinda and jalebi for everybody.
Oh, very good.
Let's celebrate.
There's no way Mark can have all that kind of food. That food is not good for her digestive system. It will give her a running stomach.
I'm just saying that I'm full of...
They're just telling you politically correct way. You are highly constipated.
Mama,
Yes, better?
have you seen your daughter's marks? She's also in my class and I could not talk to her after getting her results today.
No, but I came straight from the work, so I didn't see. But you know what? For me, that marks is just a certificate of short-term learning. So as long as she study to understand, that's more important than the marks.
No, Kumar Bhai, I totally disagree with you. If your child does good in school and gets good marks, they can get into a good university and they can do well in life. If they don't get into a good university, they'll go nowhere in life.
Well, I partly disagree with you. Everybody is cut out to be a different in life. Everybody can't get grade 1 and grade 2. You don't expect Sachin Tendulkar to look like Amitabh Bachchan. That's the reality.
Mama,
Yes,
I
better?
have a question.
All better.
Can you adopt me, please?
Look at this generation today. Nikhil, that wasn't funny.
You know, don't pressurize him too much. Otherwise, one day if not me, his girlfriend parents will adopt him.
Mommy,
Yes, Nikhil, what is it now?
when can I go out to my friends? I'm old enough now.
And go sit with one. Even your daddy's not old enough to go out with his friends.
What am I watching? You're all watching. This is what happens in our house. Hey, you know what? Forget about all this now. Let's go and have your honey with our honey. Let's go.
Relax, you can't have any of that.
What?
You're not getting any.
Why? I'm not going to eat now.
Yes, fine, don't pick up on all these things.
Oh, but why are you so...
Don't worry, you can have the master.
Pichu, my pichu. My brother feels my
We can have a party start now. Let's have a good. Why are they saying no to you?
Come on. She's not allowed to have any bunny chows.
Why?
The doctor said the oily food is bad for her health. If she eats all the oily food, she's going to get a running stomach. Then that means I must start buying her nappies.
No, don't get upset. I also want.
Did buy her a Did she buy a medicine for you when she was small? It's her second childhood.
Yes,
Enjoy
Kumar.
it.
But you don't understand, Kumar. You come over to our house, you think, the mom thinks that you are a hero. You allow her to do all the wrong things, eat all the wrong food. If you had old parents in your house, you'll understand what I'm going through.
Yeah. I don't have all parents, so I don't understand. But let me tell you, when you don't have them, you miss them. You miss that punching bag. You miss somebody who you can take it for granted. I'm telling everybody, if you have your parents, cherish them. Even if you lie to them, it's okay. But cherish them because you have very little time left. And anyway, you know, we feel everything is good for the small child, right? Because the childhood, this is our second childhood. If we only enjoy the second childhood and make it a cute factor, yes, I understand. But we have to treat this age as a second childhood. And remember, at this age, they have more yesterdays than less tomorrows. You have to accept it.
You're right.
You know, today, I'm missing your dad. You remember those old days when my dad and your dad used to meet and used to sing that song? Remember that song?
गा के सुनाएंगे हमको सात रंग है ये जहां रंग बनाएंगे
Surprise!
Yes, I have a surprise for everybody. Only Sai and Raj Sai, they remember my birthday. They're going to bring the cake and they're going to give everybody and I have a party. Can you believe it? Because, you have to. Because, these people never remember my birthday. Remember the mother's birthday. Remember the mother's birthday. She doesn't remember my birthday. Everybody will do anything for me.
Let me give you a surprise. You know, all the people came especially for your birthday.
Yes.
And all of us, why I came here?
Yeah.
For the party.
Yes.
Your daughter-in-law invited everybody.
She invited.
Your 10-year resident friends, all she invited.
Oh my God, I don't believe it. Oh my God. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. What's up about it? I'm not even listening.
Oh, sorry, Anandi Mubarak. That's it.
Oh, wow.
Present. हाथ तक ना आगे कोई आगे जाए anyway please God give everybody talking like this one and one like this one very much